friends. Let us today discuss about the basic concept of what counseling is, because last time I've just introduced my channel, and today I think it's a high time that I need to start posting the various concepts and how some psychological theories helps in intervention. As earlier also I have mentioned that yes, of course, it is recognized as a talking therapy, and the important aspect of this particular concept, approach of counseling is it is entirely based on the communication patterns, the way you interact with people, and why today it is becoming so important. Earlier it was carrying the stigma, but nowadays it is becoming more important. There is no stigma, but still people are bothered and worried. Sometimes they are too much curious, or sometimes they are very much anxious about, yes, why me, why do I need counseling, because still people are not very clear about it. And so nowadays I feel, rather than calling it as counseling, I just call it as an psychoeducation. So because what is important, the important thing is that let people become more organized, let them become more social, or let them learn to accept their problems. So the objective is very clear. If the term is going to create problems, then why not we come across with such term wherein people feel more comfortable, and the topic also will become more close to their heart. And yes, the counseling ranges from because it depends on what is the nature of the problem. So it can be just short term, long term, or whatever it is. So as I said, it is based on interaction pattern, or the way we communicate to people. Because what is happening, I personally feel that what has gone wrong with all of us is the way we communicate to each other. I think that is the reason where our interpersonal relationships are at risk. And at the same time, we are not even interacting relevantly with ourselves. So sometimes even that also creates problem, because our intrapersonal problems are also increasing day by day, and we are becoming more self-centered, and this is the reason that we are more preoccupied. So human interactions are of course always beautiful, and it also plays a role in healing the emotional issues, and resolving the conflicts, and reducing the emotional burden. And if it is having such a if it definitely, if it is going to help us in this way, then why not whenever we feel that we need to take such kind of guidance, or it also helps us to rediscover ourselves on day-to-day basis, or whatever. It helps us to again re-socialize ourselves. It helps us to improve our interaction patterns, the way we communicate to each other. That is the reason that our interpersonal relationships are not sustaining. So, and as our interpersonal relationships don't sustain, then our sociability is also at risk. So that is why I have come to you with these particular concepts, and I personally feel that it will definitely, because it has helped me a lot. It has helped myself. It helped me to groom myself. It helped me to maximize my maximize my attitudinal capacity. It helps me to maximize or make my perceptual ability more broader. It helps me to become more emotionally mature, because counseling again helps us to nurture our emotions. So it's really such a an important aspect of our life, and there is no point in ignoring it. So we need not wait till the pathology arises. If the journey has started, the emotional journey, because this particular approach is going to focus on the subjective world of people. So what exactly we are feeling from within, and the counseling I feel is the best approach, which will best therapy, which will definitely help people to express their hidden issues and help them to accept it, and then once they are able to accept, then the journey of problem solving becomes more easy. So that is the reason why I have come across, I came up with this particular topic or this particular approach to all of you. Apart from that, this therapy helps us to become more empathetic. It maximizes our social abilities. Then it also helps us to, or motivates us to introspect about our coping abilities, because we are sometimes we don't understand, because we have a very rigid values, we have a very faulty beliefs that we carry. So false beliefs make us more rigid. False beliefs prevents us from becoming more social. So this concept is based on interactive patterns, then in which ego state we are supposed to interact with each other. So if your interaction pattern doesn't hurt the dignity of people, then your interpersonal relationships always will be healthy. Apart from that, if counseling also helps us to broaden, or it broaden our mental compartments, and it will not have any place for biased ideas. We are not prejudiced. So this is also an important factor, because our prejudices prevents us from making relationships. Our prejudices make us, we are not good acceptors, we are selective acceptors. So these biased ideas will again prevent us from accepting things, accepting situations, accepting a role. So this therapy helps us to accept things as they are. It helps us to see the things crystal clear, in a crystal clear way. Transparency is very much assured here. Then it also helps us to rediscover ourselves, because this introspection, it motivates us to introspect ourselves, and it helps us to rediscover, because sometimes we ourselves only decide that I am like this, or I am like that, or he's like this, or he's like that, something. So this is a judgment. So it helps us to develop a non-judgmental kind of an attitude. So such a a very priceless priceless content this particular counseling as a therapy consists of. So it's not simply go on talking, because it is objective oriented dialogue. There is a goal directed dialogue that we can have with other individual, because we always should keep in mind that we need to talk to people of their own interest. We need to develop a mutual relationship which should be trustworthy relationship, that is we call as a rapport establishment, because it is not a one way process. Okay, so people should feel that they are belonged to. So these are the priceless priceless contents, or the priceless results that we can get from this particular therapy. So let us all get convinced that something is going wrong with our communication, the way we communicate, or either we are more authoritative or we are more permissive. So we need to be more democratic. So that is why, and not only democratic, these are the styles of interaction, but at the same time I personally believe that there should not be dehumanizing. The dialogue we have with each other should not dehumanize an individual. So the very beautiful and very important values that we all can imbibe within ourselves is dignity and equality, because these are the two values which will make you more unbiased. and you will be a very you'll be a good acceptor, and you will not be a selective listener, you will not be partial acceptor. So and you will also be a non-judgmental person. So if you have these things within yourself, or if we have these things within ourselves, then I don't think so our interpersonal relationship will come at risk. By either you are at a job, whether you are in a society, whether you are wherever you are, you will find that always there is a social support system which you can, that is an asset, because social support plays a role of a mental tonic. And then how do we become social? By improving our interactions, by having the values like humanity and dignity. See, this is not just philosophy. It plays an important role in building relationships, because these relationships are not only purposeful relationships. These relationships are not only professional relationships. People have misinterpreted professional relationship. People have mistaken relationships. So we are all interdependent, and this pandemic has taught us that we have to stop now working in isolation. We have to work together. So as I told you, counseling definitely encourages socialization and sociability among us. So this social, let us all understand, and let us all accept this, that we all need to come together and interact with each other. And this counseling definitely gives us the best results, and helps us, and it helps to prevent the pathology. It will definitely prevent the personality splits. It will maximize the coping abilities. It will again develop a positive mental health. Apart from that, our coping mechanisms will become more and more stronger. Our values will be more humanitarian. Then the philosophy of our life, it helps to again design or derive the philosophy of our life, which makes our life more meaningful. So these are the wonders I feel that counseling can give all of us. And let us not take only that counseling helps for problem solving process. It is not only that. Now the entire concept of counseling has changed. It is also for it also helps us to and gain an understanding how to perform our day-to-day activities, how to maximize our mental abilities, how to re-socialize ourselves. So these are the different concepts, or these are the different results that we can gain from this particular counseling. And we also again need to learn how to counsel ourselves also. This helps us to groom our personality, and we will not be the victim of role conflict and role confusion. Role clarity maximum of the time will definitely come. And this is how in next video I will be highlighting all the basic skills and the various therapeutic approaches that we can make use of at our job place, in our personal life, in our family life, and whatever it is. Lastly, I would like to just tell you, or lastly I would like to just conclude by saying that let us all come together and socialize ourselves with the help of counseling, and accept it that as we all are social animals, and we all are interdependent, and let us stop working in isolation. We need to be cooperative. We need to develop a trustworthy relationships with each other by mutual understanding, and then only we can assure to have a harmonious society, a society which is peaceful, and definitely at the same time we can preserve and protect our social institutions too. Thank you.